Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time, and I know I keep saying that every single time I make a video now, but we are making killer progress here. And as you can tell by the limo behind me, we have made some killer progress on the limo. And I think it's only fair that I go ahead and make a video right now to kind of show you guys what all we've been doing up until this point. Now, it is a little windy out here today, so I won't do a lot of it outside here so you don't get a bunch of wind noise. A lot of it is actually already pre-recorded, and most of it is in the shop. But I want to just go ahead and give a couple companies a couple shout outs here. The very first company that I want to go ahead and give a huge shout out is going to be Lighting Trends. We're going to go ahead and roll some footage from Lighting Trends right here, right now. And they are underneath the limo here, and they absolutely killed it, knocked it out of the park. I will have a video later on as a, we'll say, a before and after, or I guess more or less like a cheap LED light kit and the Lighting Trends light kit. So I do have both kits on this truck right now, and I'm not going to show you guys, or I'm not going to name drop the other kit when I make that video, if I make that video, but I just want you guys to know that there's a huge difference in quality. And I'm not just saying that, like, sure, they sponsored me for the build, but I actually truly stand behind them 100% now. So Lighting Trends, huge shout out to them. They will be one of the links in the description down below. So I wanted to go ahead and record while the sun was still up. As you can tell, it's actually about 7 o'clock right now. It's not super light or super dark. It's actually, you can tell by the, it's still clouds. You can see the sun is actually starting to set. There's the Denali, but man, are these things bright. I'm going to go ahead and insert a picture now of what it looked like the other night, because I want to get this video edited and out to you guys. Sponsor is going to have to be my boy Jeremy at JS Coating 717. He absolutely killed it with these Archon wheels repowder coating. Now, if you guys don't know, these are the wheels and tires that came off of Mike Street Speed 717's OG Duramax, and obviously we've got them refinished and repowder coated, and it looks absolutely amazing. I'm going to go ahead and roll some footage from Jeremy and I powder coating these and getting them cleaned up. So here's that footage.
Thank God I'm not Jewish.
He's so strong and dreamy. I gotta admit, they are heavy. You didn't hang them the same direction. That's gonna look weird. He's thrilled, ladies and gentlemen. Thrilled. Oh, and he scratched it. Man, oh day. So as you can tell, we've did some powder coating here. I do kind of want to learn powder coating, but then at the same time, like, I have so much other stuff going on I start to realize then, hey, maybe powder coating isn't another thing that I need to do, because that's just more time and time consuming, plus more product and space and yada, yada, yada. We're quickly outgrowing the warehouse here, as you guys do know, but it is what it is. I love what I do, and I wouldn't do anything else in the world. Now we'll get into the next sponsor, which is Rough Country. You guys already know the kit that's on this truck. This is actually going to be their 8-inch, it's a 03 excursion kit. It's actually an 08 F350 kit that's on here that we fitted with a bunch of parts, mixed match parts. So huge shout out to Rough Country for joining builds on this. I ended up adding some lift to it. I added a leveling kit to the front. I added a block in the rear, got new U-bolts, got all kinds of custom U-bolts and everything. Drive shafts, I went ahead and made different drive shafts for this thing. So this is kind of a custom Rough Country kit, but it is a base kit off of a 2003 F350. So huge shout out to Rough Country, as always, for joining the build. And we do still have a bunch of Rough Country goodies that we're going to have to put on this. And again, this is not the final product. As you can tell, we still have to wrap it. I still have to do the top. I still have to figure out what we're going to actually do for like real trim on this thing. But I wanted to get this thing out this weekend and enjoy it. So we did that, and I had a blast. Lighting, these are actually the lights that were on that parts excursion that I bought. So the lights are brand new. Let me see if I have the footage from that. If I do, I will put it in right now. That is a huge difference. And we have got to announce that Auxbeam is a new sponsor for the channel here. Huge shout out to them. They sent, it's basically going to be a control panel. Let me flip it over here. Basically going to be a control panel for in the limousine here. So I'm going to end up wiring these lights to it, the Underglow lights that you'll see probably by the end of this video, and then the lights and everything for the inside. So huge shout out to them. If you guys are in the market for any lighting or LEDs, or even they sent me a light bar that we're going to toss in the center here as well. So if you guys are in the market for any kind of lighting, definitely check out Auxbeam. They are definitely worth.
Can I wash my hands?
I did lots of running today, and I'm so slow, I guess. I guess I'm so slow.
As I was saying all of this, I just realized that this that insert is messed up there, but we'll get that taken care of. I absolutely couldn't be any more proud, any more blessed to have this product or project the way it is. Huge shout out to Street Speed 717 for hooking me up on the wheels. If you guys don't know him, he just went to Ukraine. Definitely check out that video. But Mike, thanks for the killer deal on the wheels. They look amazing, and I couldn't be any more proud to represent 717. So that is going to go ahead and wrap up the video for today, guys. I know that it's kind of a lot to take in. So far, I probably have, I'd say, a solid month of progress on this thing with powder coating, painting, getting everything cleaned up. I mean, you guys can see I still have a long way to go. I still got to get some wiring and everything cleaned up so it looks a lot better. But I got a lot of time into the limo, and I'm not ready to stop now. I want to also say Auxbeam lighting. I do have a control panel that we're going to put on. I think you guys might have seen it in the video here. We do have some LED lights in here. Those are from Auxbeam, so definitely check them out. But we will have a dedicated video for that. Again, I'm just behind on production. I'm behind on getting videos out to you guys because I've been doing so much other things in life and trying to actually try to get the shop ready. That's my main thing. And my main thing for getting the shop up and running is kind of like my main focus. I want to be able to pull in. I want to have it kind of organized and laid out perfectly so that I can do what I do and do what I do more efficiently. So if you guys don't know, I did purchase a tire machine. I'm sure you'll see that in the next video. But we're just making killer progress out here, guys. And I hope that you guys see all the hard work, all the dedication that I put into the channel, into life, and into my family mainly. So I hope you guys do enjoy the content. Please comment, like, subscribe. Check out all the companies. If you guys are looking for LED lighting, definitely check those guys out. They are ones to do it. Lighting Trends, thank you. Huge shout out you killed it. This thing is bright as heck with a 16-piece kit. And, you know, I never was a big lighting fan, but I'm starting to become a lighting fan. So, again, Jeremy, JS Coatings, thank you. Appreciate you, buddy. Thanks for doing all the hard work and all the labor hours and, I guess, cutting out a family time for me. I appreciate it. I'll say it. You cut out some family time for me. But I love everybody that helps join my projects and things like that. I don't always go out there and say that I appreciate everybody, but I appreciate everyone that's in my life and everyone that has made an impact in my life. We'll say that. So comment, like, subscribe, guys. We'll see you in the next one. What a long pain in the butt. So I wanted to go ahead and record while the sun was still up. As you can tell, it's actually about 7 o'clock right now. It's not super light or super dark. It's actually, you can tell by the, you know, it's still clouds. You can see the sun is actually starting to set. There's the Denali, but man, are these things bright. I'm gonna go ahead and insert a picture now of what it looked like the other night because I want to get this video edited and out to you guys. But again, definitely check out lighting trends for these lights. They came out absolutely insane. Definitely hit up Rough Country for all of your off-road needs, and definitely hit up JS Coating 717 for your powder coating needs, because this thing is an absolute unit at this point. So I'm gonna do some rollers. You'll see that in the next video here, but you can tell these things are insane. I love it. And I kind of wanted to show you guys how I mounted them, but I mean, it's a simple kit. If you guys get these things and you have any questions, shoot me a message and I will talk you through how to do it. It seems pretty simple to me, but I'm very mechanically inclined. So huge shout out again to all the companies that joined the Limo project here, and I cannot wait to get this thing wrapped and finished up. Comment, like, subscribe. See you in the next one.